Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also make sure you guys check out my Patreon page to follow along with my Day Trading Fearless Patreon portfolio of stocks and options. And you can find that at patreon.com/daytradingfearless. But as always, let's jump right into it. So this video is going to be about Nadex, and we're going to talk about a strategy. If you know how options work, with Nadex, they're binary options, so they are a little different. But if you know what a strangle is or a straddle, it's kind of a more of a where you think the stocks can go sideways, okay? We're going to do the same exact trade with this. So just for full transparency, none of this is trade advice. It's all education. Also, I am in a demo account, so there's no real trades going on. Again, just full, this is more education. So let's go into binary options, right? We're going to go into indices. Okay, and real quick, if you're new to Nadex, you could trade indices like the Dow, the S&P futures. You could trade NASDAQ. You can also trade any type of Forex with these. You can also trade jobless claim numbers, non-farm, or payrolls that come out once a week. And you can also even do gold, oil, and corn, right? So for here, as always, I like to try and stick with one thing, what I know, and that's the S&P E-mini futures. But with that being said, this is going to be strangles / straddles, where we think the stocks can go sideways and we want to collect the premium. Okay, so we're going to click on binary options. We're going to go to US, okay? I'm doing this after hours. So we see we have either the weekly or the daily, okay? And we'll do the daily. So these expire tomorrow at 4:15. So you could see we have 20 hours and 48 minutes left. So we're going to left click that. And these are all the contracts that we could trade from. And we're just going to pull up, let's pull up the 39.37. Okay, now one more thing real quick. One thing that's really cool with Nadex is they are futures. They're governed by the NFA, right? National Futures Association. So there's no day trading rule with these. So you could open up an account for as little money as you want. But the really cool thing with this is you can actually day trade all you want. And if you want to sign up with Nadex, I'll leave a link below where you could sign up with them. So it is a affiliate link, just FYI, but there's a link down below that you could sign up directly with them. So over here we have the stock chart. All these are the different kind of contracts, right? We see them here. You can also see them here. If we kind of scrunch up the axis, you could see them. Currently, the indicative price is what the S&P E-mini futures are. So right now they're at 38.97 in a quarter. They expire in 20 hours, 46 minutes, US, okay? And this is, do you think it will close higher or lower? That's all Nadex is, right? Do you think it'll close higher or lower? And the other really cool thing with Nadex is you could buy in, if you're in the money, you could close out that position at any time. You don't need to wait until expiration. So let's look at, hey, I don't think we're going to go higher than 39.37 tomorrow, okay? So we're going to put this trade on, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to sell this trade, meaning essentially will the US 500 finish higher than 39.7 at 4:15? I'm going to say no, and you could see sell no, okay, or buy yes, right? If I click buy, it'll say yes, sell no. So I don't think it will. So I'm going to come down here, $17, okay? I'm going to just go right at the whatever the market is right now, okay? We're at 25, size one contract. My max loss is 82.75. Okay, actually, let's do this. To make it even. My max loss is 83. My max profit is 17. I'm going to place the order. Okay, down here, you could see, right? And if you want to hide that, there's a little thing here. Orders, position, I have one position on right now, right? So I'm short one, average 17.25. I could lose 83, but wait, we're not done yet. So now, where do we think price, how low do we think price will go? Well, if we know we're at 38.97, I don't think price will go, we'll say below 38.61 by expiration today. So we're going to click on this, right, the blue. Will US 500 finish higher than 38.61.6 at 415? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to collect $82 on that trade, okay? So I'm going to go place the order. Okay, you could see my max loss is 82 and my max profit is 18. Okay, now let's place the trade. Boom, we're in the trade. Okay, what we've essentially done is what's called a strangle or a straddle, but instead of buying it, we're selling it. Okay, essentially, we can't lose on both sides, right? Because this trade, we say, yes, we're getting close above 61, right? So let's take a, let's see if I could find something. Here, let me pull up a chart real quick, okay? And this is the S&P E-mini futures right here, okay? And what essentially I'm saying, and hopefully this will kind of really help you guys. I'm saying if I zoom in, we're going to close between this range right here, okay? I think we're going to close, we won't close above here in 39.61. We'll just say this, okay? I'm saying we're going to close somewhere within this range. If we close anywhere within this range, I win this trade and I win this trade, right? So if we go back here, okay, I actually could win. Okay, I'm going to win here because remember, if we close higher, then I'm going to keep the full $18, right? On this trade over here, okay, that we did, I was selling this, right? And I believe I collected, what was it, 17, sorry, this one, 17.25, or sorry, 17 even, right? I sold, that's what we're at now. It looks like it filled me at 17.25. Okay, so I could win 17.25. So if I could win 17 plus $18, that's what about $38. So my total risk, okay, would only be about 60 some odd dollars, right? I'm gonna make about $38 to lose 62. But look at the range that if we close anywhere within this range, I get to keep that whole $38. And I believe it's actually more about 37, right? So I'm risking 2 to make 1. I get that. But if I'm correct and we just trade sideways within this range, I'm going to win that full amount because I can't lose on both sides. Now, let's say price falls and we fall and price reverses overnight all day tomorrow and we close at 38.40. Okay. Well, wrong screen. At 38.40, okay, I'm going to win because will the US finish? Actually, let's go back to this guy. Okay. Will US finish higher, right? Than 39.37? I said no. I'm going to collect 17.50. That's going to be a winner. Remember, you can't lose on both sides, right? So if we come over to this that we said, hey, we think it'll close above 82, our max loss would be 82. So what happens is we lose $82 here on this, but we make 17.25. So 82 minus 17 is 60, about $64. We'll end up losing. Okay, and that's where we get that 64. But if we close within that range, we'll win 82, or we'll win 18 plus 17 and a quarter, which is about that $37 level. So and want to know something? I'm doing this on the fly, so the more I think about it, it's about $36 or $35 that we would win. So, but again, we could be wrong either direction by a little bit, and still actually, price could rally all the way up here. We close here, we're gonna win $36. Go down here, close right here, we're gonna win $36. Anywhere within this gray area, we actually end up winning money. So I hope this helps, guys. Sorry if I was a little all over the board, but I hope that was easy enough for you guys to kind of understand. Also, if you want to sign up with a Nadex, there's going to be a link down below, and it's a great platform. It's a great for small trading accounts. Oh, one other thing is, when you trade Nadex, right, whatever money you could lose, that is all the money you have to put up. So if I did one contract, I would only have to put up $82 worth of risk. That's all I could lose, right? So it's really good for small accounts. So thank you for watching, as always, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon.